Here is your Phoenix real estate market update for the first quarter of 2021. Great seeing you once again. So today we're going to focus as to what is happening in our Phoenix Metro Valley real estate market. Now we're going to talk about the first quarter of 2021. As you may have seen and heard on the news and read on the paper and everywhere in between, we are in a very hot real estate market right now. What is happening and why is that happening is there's a few factors. Interest rates are low, people are moving in, there's a great influx of people on a net average of 300 people per day. That means between people that move in and people that move out, we are growing 300 people on a daily basis here in the Phoenix Metro Valley. Now, with that said, for every 3 people moving in, we need 1 unit. That is why you're going to see a tremendous amount of construction coming up. You are seeing apartment complexes being developed, condos, townhomes, and of course, a lot of new subdivisions that are coming into play. Keep in mind that a developer, from the moment of initiating a permit to the day that they deliver their first home, it could be a period of 4 years. So there's a lot of pent-up demand that we had waiting for when the market went down to now with the huge influx of people. And COVID has exacerbated that process where people that used to live in San Francisco, San Diego, and a lot of these populated cities that are more condensed, they're moving out here into the city where we have a little bit more space and people can buy more home here than they can do over there, especially since people are working from home. So that's the synopsis as to why. Now, what is happening here in our valley, in your valley? Month-to-month sales, comparing it to last year. If we look at 2020 and 2021, we saw in the entire volume of sales significant rise of almost 14%. Now, what does that mean to the median sales price? That is in the middle, from the zero home to the multi-million-dollar home. The middle home actually went up in price almost 19%. The average price of the homes in the valley from last year to this year went up nearly 25%. And that is the same for the price per square footage. So that means that we saw the same increase in value all the way around, no matter what price range in the home values. Now, let's talk about units sold. For the month of March, we sold 9,806 homes. That's a lot of homes. However, here's the little challenge that we have is only 9,625 homes came on the market. So there's a deficit between what we sold to what came in into the market. Now, the total inventory available right now is 9,043 homes. What does that mean? Now, what that means is that there's only a little bit less than a month supply of inventory. That is really accurately 0.93 months of inventory. This means that if nobody puts a new home on the market in the next month or so, that we'll be out of homes. Now, that's not going to happen. We are literally entering the listing and selling season. It is like a bell curve. What that means is that beginning of March, the new listings increase and go up, and they peak in the summer, June and July, and then they decline in August. Now, it doesn't mean that no new homes come on the market in August. It just means that we see more of a flat line from August period back to the spring when people start sprucing up their homes and putting them on the market. Now, if you're thinking of selling your home, this is a fantastic time because there's plenty of buyers out there for you. And if you're thinking of buying, it's a winning season as well because as you are buying, the values of homes continue to rise and there's a continued demand on homes. We expect this demand here in the valley, in the Phoenix Metro Valley, for at least the next 12 months. That is projected. Now, we may see a little bit more, we may see a little bit less time period. However, between the next 12 months, we should have a very strong demand coming our way. So hopefully this will help you understand what is happening. Yes, there's a very strong demand for your home if you're thinking of selling. Feel free to give us a call and we'll give you a very definite value of your home and also an idea of how fast it can sell. And most likely we have a buyer for your home already. But nevertheless, this is great information. You may upload it. We were going to put it here for you so that you can enjoy it. There's more detail to it. We can even break it down by zip code so that you know what has happened in your particular subdivision and neighborhood. So hopefully this helped you. Again, my goal is to educate and keep you posted what is happening here in our fantastic city. Loyalty, passion, results. Thank you.